How to save your file in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the process of saving your Canva project to your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you're done editing your project, simply head to the share button shown in the top right corner, and from the pop-up menu, simply select download. Now next you will see options for the file type. Simply click on the file type and from the drop down menu choose your preferred format. In my case, I am selecting PDF for export. So depending on the file type, you may have additional options. So I am enabling flattening to ensure proper printing. And once you're done with that, simply click on download and your file will begin downloading. And once completed, you can find it on your downloads folder. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.